In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Hostinger, a crucial task to ensure your website runs smoothly by freeing up space and improving speed. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to effectively clear your cache in Hostinger. First, you need to open your favorite web browser and head over to the official Hostinger website, which you can do by typing in the URL directly or by navigating through a search engine. You're going to want to log into your account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. This is your starting point, and depending on your browser, you may be asked to save or remember this information for future logins, which can be quite convenient. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu, specifically towards the option labeled as Websites. This is your gateway to accessing the controls for your specific domain. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a list of websites that are associated with your account. From this list, locate the website for which you need to clear the cache and click on Dashboard. This click will guide you into the control panel specifically tailored to manage your chosen website. Navigating the dashboard is quite straightforward. As you scroll through, look for an option explicitly labeled Clear Cache. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface, so this button should be easy to spot. Clearing your website's cache is similar to sweeping away digital cobwebs. It rids your system of temporary files that might be slowing down your website. Now, this is a critical step. Once you click on Clear Cache, Hostinger will initiate the process of removing unnecessary files. During this time, refrain from refreshing or closing your browser window to ensure the process completes smoothly. It's that simple. This operation may take a few moments, depending on the amount of data your cache holds, but rest assured, your patience will be rewarded with improved website performance. And just like that, once you receive the confirmation that the cache has been cleared, you're all set. The benefits you'll likely notice include faster loading times and responsiveness of your website, as well as a more streamlined user experience for your visitors. Remember to clear your cache regularly, especially if you update your website frequently or notice any lagging in speed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Keeping your website in top shape is crucial for attracting and retaining visitors, and managing your site's cache is a great step in ensuring your website performs optimally. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs on managing your website resources efficiently.